Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. Girl, you ready?
Oh, yeah. Shit.
Over here doing Instagram, bro. Like, I swear to God.
I had to add my little music to my
Oh
story.
my God, bro. All right, we're back. Okay, all right. I'm gonna be optimistic.
There's some nice, lovely stuff here.
Yes.
Now, does it belong together? I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, but I'm not repulsed by the selection of ingredients. We are revisiting the Ward 8, which I think the last time we did it was when we were still doing mini segments.
Yeah.
And so this is a mini segment special.
Brought to the camera. Why?
Oh, right. I think that my impression of this was that we didn't necessarily hate it. It just was sort of blah. It was blah, if I recall correctly.
I don't recall it too much, and then I don't think we followed the recipe to the T, but I could be wrong.
Girl, I don't know.
But nonetheless, yeah, here we are.
Here we are, and we're gonna run through the ingredients and then we're gonna get started. So, 2 ounces of rye whiskey or whiskey, whatever you have in your good old cabinet, okay? About 3/4 ounce of lemon juice,
Okay.
3/4 ounce of orange juice, and a dash of grenadine. A dash.
Okay.
So, okay.
Yeah. You want to taste the?
Oh, yeah, why don't you put a little bit in my, I don't have a shot glass, so we gonna be ghetto.
You got a top. Oh no, that's a whole top.
Oh.
Ooh,
Oh God. Okay. What? You know. All right. It is a taste. Ooh.
This is a big ass bottle. Thank you. Oh! I'm almost peed myself.
Well, this is going great already. This is going great. Okay.
Sterilize the table of
The
all
table
that
didn't-
nasty drinks that we just had. All right. Anyway.
All right. So.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's rye.
But it's a nice one.
That's good. This is
10 cup.
10 cup mountain whiskey.
Ooh, chat. 90 proof.
God damn.
Wouldn't have never knew that one. I mean, I smelt it, but it didn't go down that way. Yeah.
So we start off with 2 ounces of that.
Oh, we got to pour this shit again? Oh, okay.
How do you want to help me and help you, or? All right, halt. God damn. This is going great, guys.
It's wonderful. What?
One more. Okay. We'll just clean this up after. All right, now I will.
You have to pour it a lot more.
Ooh, oh God.
I hate wasting liquor.
Oh God.
Just go ahead and, yeah, there we go. Oh, man.
Okay. Listen, I don't know how you're pouring this on your own, okay? Good luck.
But also, 10 cup, you got to do better. Because how is anybody going to pour this without spilling it? Come on.
That's a lot. It's doing a lot.
I done wasted like two cocktails probably right now.
Probably.
All right.
Okay, on to the easier stuff. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, or in liquid math, hold a little at the top. And then we're also gonna do 3/4 ounce of our orange juice. So, pretty easy recipe here. Oh, I should have pre-opened this grenadine.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. It's like syrup almost. You got it?
No, I don't. Oh, that looked promising. That's not.
I went to the gym, so this is pleasant for me to understand and know that I can do this.
Wow.
Not saying you haven't, but I've been getting my scrimps. You know what I'm saying?
Anywho, we're gonna then do a dash of this.
God bless you. How do you dash?
I don't know. You dash. You dash the best way you can. And then once we do this, we are
Shake
ready to shake and bake. Not bake, literally, but you know.
I have nothing.
Well, we're getting that color from the grenadine, obviously.
Whatever.
Okay, so I mean, it's cute.
It's cute.
Cheers.
Cheers. Smell good. Boy, we are.
Oh, okay. I remember now. It's very tart. I would ask you to add more whiskey to this, but it's like literally you might spill the whiskey.
Maybe we have to do one of those combination orange juices with like mango or whatever they be having.
Oh,
It's tart. It's tart.
oh, I guess I think it's my turn. All right, so now I'm remembering why I didn't care for this before. With all of the citrus juice, it's giving me super tart. Like it is.
It's a citrus.
It is
Citric. Is that a word? Citric.
It's
Feels like it.
something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna be like a 2 to me, and the reason I'm scoring it low is because when you have really good rye whiskey, it's a shame to like camouflage the richness of the rye whiskey with all of this like tart citrus.
I don't think rye belongs with citrus.
And maybe it doesn't. It's honestly like it's a waste to me. And I it's giving me frou-frou. Like it feels like whoever conceptualized this recipe was like scared of the rye whiskey. And so they're like, I'm just gonna put a bunch of stuff on it, like grenadine, bro. Like,
yeah, and it's a syrup, and I don't think grenadine has a taste to it, for real, for real. I don't think it's like one of those. Yeah. Anyway,
so yeah, it's a 2. This is not. It's just disappointing. It's a waste. It's a waste of liquor.
oh, on top of
Us
pouring
actually
it,
wasting liquor. Yeah. Your thoughts?
Yeah, this is a no for me, dog. I'm gonna give it alignment with you because of the stuff that we have tasted.
Yeah.
And I honestly knew we did this before, but
Yeah.
I can't remember what it was.
Yeah, it's been a couple years.
It hasn't. It's not good, but it's definitely not bad, or I consider it bad, especially after.
Oh no, it's not bad. Like it's
Yeah.
not bad. It's just boring
Yeah, and tart.
and
Makes
tart.
you want to, So I'm gonna give this a 2 as well. I can tolerate it just slightly, but this will be my only drink if I had to order it at the bar or something. Cause
I would send it back. I actually would send it back and say I would like something else.
I don't like wasting liquor, but child, you gotta catch me on a good day.
But this is also, I feel like this is a waste of liquor. So that's like my problem is like, I feel like you could do so much with this particular whiskey, this rye whiskey. And I just feel like this is like a miss.
It's missing like some type of sweetener, maybe like a simple syrup or agave,
Maybe.
or honey, maybe just to heighten it up, to balance it out, because it's so tart.
It's very tart. Like we're talking, okay, so we have orange juice, which is already kind of a tart juice.
Lemon juice.
And then lemon juice. Like you said, maybe if we did, like maybe it was like a combination of like an orange mango or like an orange pineapple or something. Well, even no, not the pineapple, because that's gonna be tart as well. So like an orange mango or something that's a little bit sweeter.
Yeah.
Then I think that it would work better. This is just, yes, I'm underwhelmed. But like I kind of knew what it was.
I forgot
Before. Like I didn't really remember until
it hit you. Literally with that tart.
and then I was like, no.
This ain't it.
So
But-
friends, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that little dangly thing, okay? We gonna come back with like one more, I think, to close out our BWAF. But this is giving basic. Hey, listen, you try it out.
Let us know.
Because I don't think any of y'all tried it out last time. So try it out this time. And let us know what you think. And if you would change anything about it. Because I think, again, to me, this goes down as a recipe that has potential, but it is seriously lacking.
I taste the struggle. Wherever Ward 8 is, I taste the struggle. But nonetheless, we tried it. Will we ever try it again? No. Nope.
Two times was enough.
2 times, yeah. So, therefore, we'll see you back for the last one. Hopefully, we end on a higher note.
Yes.
But let us pray until then. Talk to y'all later.
We'll be back.